you lay out the poles and then you have these inserts that fit right inside. We're lining this bolt in, yellow's out, everything's consistent, facing out. Put a lock washer, put a bolt. Each one of these yellow poles is 8 feet. It's 8 feet because typically you can ship that and it's can put room in your truck or garage or heck in the back of your pickup truck. Tighten, it's fine. This is an impact drill with a 9/16 bit. Typically takes 2 people to do this. Now that we have the goalpost down, you can do it with 1 person to begin with. We'll have another person to help guide the pole into the clamp. What we're doing here is measuring from the inside of each goalpost so that we can set the clamp correctly. And that'll give us an equidistant 9 feet, which splits the uprights in half. We'll go 48.5 inches and make a mark. You want to have the outside part of the clamp in line. The hex bolts are facing towards the field. Right? So typically what we like to do here is just a hand tighten. This measures 5 5/16. Now this is a 3/4 bit. The inside diameter of this pole by itself is like 6.625, and we know this is 5 5/16. So I put rubber such that there's actually a little bit of a gap, and that's okay because it ain't gonna move. Plenty of tension, friction, it's safe. Slightly undo it so that this opens up. I'm gonna throw these guys in here just for extra friction. Make sure the yellow is sticking out. You want to use these longer ones. These are, I think, 3 1/4 inch. Now, typically what happens is we want this pole to be parallel with the outside uprights, okay? And it's more of an art than it is a science, but since we're in this position, we can start playing with it, bolting this top bolt first. Don't have to go too much. We've got rubber, extra protection here, same thing. 6 bolts, plenty of rubber. We're in line, 48.5 inches. So that's it. That's on that side. Love that.